Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Demo. First, navigate to the Binance website and locate the demo trading option. You'll find a simulated environment that mirrors the live platform, allowing you to practice without using real funds. This is perfect for beginners to get comfortable with crypto trading. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available assets. Once inside the demo, you'll see a layout similar to the actual trading platform. On the left, you'll find the order book, showing current buy and sell orders. The main section displays interactive charts, which you can customize to analyze price movements. Look for the virtual balance, typically around $100,000, which you can use for practice trades. Now, let's play some practice trades. You can choose between market orders, which execute instantly at the best available price, or limit orders, which allow you to set a specific price for your trade. Experiment with both to understand their differences. After placing an order, you can track its status in the Open Orders section and manage your positions, including setting stop loss or take profit points. The demo also lets you explore more advanced features, such as OCO orders, which combine a limit order and a stop limit order. Review your trading history to learn from past decisions and refine your strategies. Remember, consistent practice is key to improving your skills. For more in-depth learning and other great deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's a fantastic way to read anywhere and expand your knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.